Hello everyone, welcome back to my little channel. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. So today we're going to be doing a simple little fall design. I know I say that a lot, but for real, this time I thought this was pretty simple. You can wear it without any decor, just the base colors, and it's perfect for some of you. But you know me, I can't do nothing too simple, because then I don't know, I feel like you just need something. So it's up to you if you want to recreate this with the decor or without. I am using our new chai spice glitter acrylic. It is now available on the website, and I do apologize, I was not in frame for the next couple seconds because I was watching Netflix. I was so into the show that I was watching. Some of you guys recommended on Instagram that I watch Maid. So, girl, that's what I was watching. Right now, I'm fucking changing into my pajamas, just in case you hear me huffing and puffing over here. It's because a girl be bending down and shit. So, I'm using the Cover Pink Nude to lightly ombre the nail. And normally I like to do the nude first and then the glitter, but I don't know, I just wanted to give a different kind of look. I kind of like how the glitter looks underneath the nude, so I'm gonna be repeating that step for the index finger and the pinky. And right here, my fucking acrylic fell because right now it's starting to get really cold. Right here where I live, it's like 40 something degrees. So the acrylic sets extremely slow in the cold. So what that means is that we gotta hold that shit in the brush a little bit longer so that it can start setting before we apply it. Especially these acrylics, because they do set slowly. I normally in like nice temperature, I hold it for like 5 seconds and then it's ready to apply. But when it starts to get cold, you need to hold the acrylic for 8 to 10 seconds, so that it could be perfect. I mean, you could apply it onto the nail, but personally I like to hold it on my brush, and then it's easier for me to work. So right now, I had already waited a couple seconds, and once I applied it, I still have more than enough time to work with the product. So this acrylic is perfect for beginners, but I mean, if you like to work really fast, then maybe it won't be your BFF right now in the winter time. I normally do add a little bit of acetone into my monomer sometimes, even though some people be like, you're not supposed to do that, but just like a little drop or two don't hurt nobody. But that's just me. I've done it in the past on my channel, and somebody brought it to my attention. I mean, I ain't advising you, but that's just what I do sometimes. I try to bind myself a little warmer for the monomer because somebody recommended that, but I feel like it didn't do nothing. But then again, I did get a coffee warmer. So if anybody knows what I could use to speed up my drying time on this monomer, would be great. Share it with a sister over here, because the salon does get really cold as well. So I ain't trying to be there forever. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my little channel, and leave me a little comment how you've been doing, girlfriends. It's been a couple days since I last uploaded my other video, but that one wasn't really like a tutorial where I spoke over. I see that you guys really enjoy when I do my nails and stuff. I'm gonna be doing my left hand soon. I just haven't decided what the hell I'm gonna do, so I'm still kind of thinking. And for the ring finger, I'm just doing like a little wannabe marble type of vibe, because these colors do look really, really cute. Like, mixed together. I was like, oh girl, that's gonna look like caramel vibes or something like that. So I use the same acrylics for this finger. I did add a little bit of number 16, which is the browner tone. The middle finger, I believe, is number 118. I will put everything in the description. If I don't do it right away when this video is uploaded, I will try my best to do it in the next few hours, only because I'm going to try to upload this for tomorrow, which today's Tuesday. It's already nighttime, so hopefully by Wednesday morning, you guys are already watching this. And I'm gonna be at work. I'm going to the salon tomorrow to do some nails, and hopefully, if I have enough time or I remember, I'll probably record a client or two so we can get you guys some more content, because Zulebi lagging over here. So the trick with the marble is just apply it a little bit more wet than usual, just slightly wetter, not too wet where it's like dripping everywhere. And give it a couple seconds to kind of set. I like to apply each color on top of each other and then just kind of move my brush around. Like, there's no specific way to do marble. Just move the colors around. Just don't press on them too much, because then they're all gonna mix. You still want to see them kind of like swirled and stuff, And the less you think about it, the easier and nicer the little marble look will appear. Don't think about it too much, because then you're gonna make it all ugly. So then I'm just applying the same chai spice, a little bit of that glitter on there, just to get a little sparkle. Because at first I was like, maybe I'll just keep it simple. And then the more I stared at it, the more I needed a little bit more. So again, I'm going to be doing the same process that I did on the index finger to the pinky. And I did not do a thumb, only because it doesn't even come out in the pictures. So I only did 4 little fingernails. But if I did do a thumb, it'd probably also be like the middle finger or an ombre. That's up to you. So I'm going to let you guys keep on watching the rest of the video. Because I do need to get ready for bed and go to sleep. And I hope this uploads while we're sleeping. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching my little videos. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my little channel. Leave me a little like and a comment in the description. The comments. Also, if you guys have any Netflix recommendations, please leave them below. I am looking for new shows all the time. I already watched Squid Games. I saw that a lot of people were recommending that. So just in case you're gonna tell me Squid Games, I already watched that one, and I'm currently watching The Maid. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the colors, just in case I forgot. And well, you guys already know the bling bling. So I'm gonna be doing a 3D flower here, and I just need to tell you this really quick, because I don't want you to make the same mistakes I've made. So apply the labeling adhesive to the area that you do want your decor to be in. And since I'm going to be making a flower, you need to make sure to spray the activator right away. So I'm using this activator. You can use whatever you have, as long as it's for glue activator. And the reason why it's a must have to spray that shit is because if you go in there with your brush and the bristles touch the glue while it's still wet, it's going to harden your brush. So make sure that the glue is fully dry, because when I was a beginner, they did not have activator back in the day, and we had to wait forever for it to dry. And sometimes I would lose my patience and go in there with my brush, and I would mess them up. So right here, I'm just using the Cover Pink Nude and dipping it into this rose gold glitter that we have. It's raw glitter. It's not mixed with acrylic or anything like that. So you can use it for this method or sprinkle it on the nail or whatever you want. It's available on the website. I will tag it or put it in the description. But yeah, keep on watching because it's gonna have a little bling bling. And I'll see you guys next time. Good night. Bye.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm so in love with you, honestly. And no darkness can stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. Oh, my Mary Jane. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now.